Hello, my name is Hassan Anwar and I'm the Global Product Manager at Datacolor. Today we will be unboxing our latest P-Series portable instruments. Let's go take a look. The instrument comes in a 17 by 13 box, which is very lightweight, about 5 pounds roughly. Nice and rugged plastic casing that provides protection against all sorts of environment. When not using the instrument, we advise to store the instrument inside the case. At the front of the case, you will see a QR code. This QR code, when scanned, will take you to the user guide. This user guide will provide each steps on how to use the instrument and what's included in the box, which we will cover in this video as well. On top, you will also see the serial code and the product code. Let's open the case. On the front side, these are the two latches. There is a lock and unlock symbol that you can put in the unlock position and then open the latches. Inside the case, we have two certificates. First one is our calibration certificate. The second one is our certificate of instrument performance. This one is ISO 9001:2015 compliant. This right here is our P300 instrument. Now this right here is our dual purpose calibration stand. This portion is to safely put our white calibration tile and also our green calibration tile. For P300, which comes with UV calibration option, we also have a fluorescent tile that goes in the same spot. This hole that's present on the calibration stand, there is a black trap inside. You can use this as part of the calibration process. All the instruments come with standard USB-C cable, and we advise all our customers to always use the cable provided by Datacolor instruments. There is a wrist strap that goes on the bottom of the instrument that you can use to safely anchor the instrument when using in an industrial environment. We also have a small microfiber cloth that you can use to clean the screen and the instrument. We have a USB drive. This is used with your computer to download and access all the files that also come as a hard copy. We also have a universal adapter and a box full of different clips. We have EU compliant clips, China compliant clips, US compliant clips, Australia compliant clips, 5 clips that come standard with the instrument. Depending on the instrument that you order, like our P300 devices, which are dual aperture devices, you will have one aperture mounted to the instrument and you will have the other aperture in the case. We also have an aperture cover plate that we highly advise to be put on to the instrument when not in use. This will protect the instrument from all sorts of dust and debris. This wraps up our unboxing video. All these are the accessories that come standard with the purchase of new P300 or P200 device. For any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to your local Datacolor representative. We're always here to help you.